Oh, is that your boyfriend? Is that your boyfriend? Oh, is that your boyfriend? There he is. There's your boyfriend. It takes a while. Here, honey. There's your boyfriend. Pippin. No. Who's that? Stop. He's looking you over. Your boyfriend sees you. She's more worried about. It's okay. There's your boyfriend.
I put down here. On how
Put your face on him and he'll see you. That doesn't work.
You have to hum.
I don't think the light's very good anyway. When you'll notice when it's time, but it's not time yet. Stay back. Sit on that chair, please. So
You share it with me.
You want him to go in the living room? Or the den?
No. No. It's good. Wipe your beak. Oh, there's your boyfriend. Oh. Oh, look at your boyfriend. It's not happening yet.
It's like he's
So
not
funny.
my boyfriend.
Happens. There, he's getting ready to do it. There's your boyfriend. Stay back. Let's just sit on the floor. There's your boyfriend. Yeah, she keeps looking at the kids.
Guys, go in there with Leia.
Sure, honey, she's mean. Go over with
Over
Tia.
here.
He goes like this. Oh, so funny. She's not looking at me yet. Who's that? Is that your boyfriend? Oh. Oh, there's your boyfriend. Oh, you two go see that dirtier cage. There he is. He's getting looking at you. Look at him. Oh, you're too stuck up. Turn around, dirty bird. There he is. There's your boyfriend. He's looking at you. Look at him. Oh, there's Pippin. Pippin, there's Birnie. Oh, you're not looking. Look at you always look at Pippin. When she looks at him, he's getting ready to do it. Your boyfriend sees you. Here, right here. Oh, you're silly. It's your boyfriend. Gosh. He's getting ready to do it. Here's your boyfriend. It's okay. Here. Oh, stop. Stop. There's your boyfriend. Give him a kiss.
That's so cute, though. Oh, that's really cute.
She's more concerned about the camera.
Yeah.
Because her obsession is my phone. She goes
Oh, really?
totally bananas that he's obsessed with her.
That is
there,
so
now they're
cute.
looking at each other.
That is so adorable.
That's a mating sign with him fluttering his fingers like that.
Really?
This is what she hates. Don't you? Whoa. Whoa, Mama's phone. The turtle lady asked if I ever saw anything else happen, and I said no. Said it goes.
Oh,
No, I've never seen that, but he's totally interested.
that's funny though.
That's his girlfriend. Look at him like curling his feet back, like
Yeah.
he's showing off.
Oh,
Your boyfriend's showing off. You. Did you see that? I've never seen him go like this. He's flipping his feet back in his shell. Never seen that before.
Oh.
Must be at like a mating science dance or something. It's your boyfriend. What, honey? I can't help that. Your mom said you ate. We already ate. You may have apple or cereal. I don't even know if we have apple. We have oranges in there. Birnie, you're not even looking. You're so stuck up. This prissy Burn. You're so dirty, Burn. Oh, say what? Look at that turtle. Is that your boyfriend? He's getting so big. I don't know what
He's
the
just
limit.
looking at her.
I don't know what the limit is on just before you have to register. Now he's getting ready to do it again. Birnie, turn your head. Here. There's your boyfriend. Here's your boyfriend, Burn. Oh, you're so prissy. There he is. Look. Here. He's looking at you. Oh, stop. Pretty girl. I can't see what he's doing.
Yeah, I can.
There, kissing. She was kissing him. That's your boyfriend? Be nice. No. Your boyfriend's right here. Right here. Stop. Be nice. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Look at him. He's so in love with you. Give him a kiss. Give Pippin a kiss. Go on. Give him a kiss. You see that stuff hanging off his skin too? That's shedding.
Oh, okay.
It's skin shedding. Like losing
Yeah.
skin. Just a big boy. Now you're over there and he's way over here. Come over and get your boyfriend a kiss. Night night kiss. It's in the backward hand flip. I've never seen that ever. It's funny.
You're missing a show.
Where?
They're flirting.
There's Pippin. You're done. You're done. Watch out, honey. She's nasty sometimes. Be nice. Be nice. Birnie. Birnie bird. Stop. No brats.